ready to ditch the paper chase and grab your W-2 digitally. Let's dive into a quick and easy guide on how to access and download your W-2 straight from Workday. First things first, head over to your company's Workday Login page, enter your username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Workday homepage. Locate the search bar at the top of the screen. It's usually right in the center. Type W-2 or tax documents into the search bar and hit enter. A list of related tasks and reports will appear. Look for the option that says My Tax Documents or View Tax Documents and click on it. This will take you to your tax documents page. On this page, you'll see a list of available tax years. Find the year for which you need your W-2. Click on the specific tax year, and your W-2 form should appear. There will usually be a download icon, often a small arrow pointing downwards, or a download button. Click it. Your W-2 will download as a PDF file. Open the file, and there you have it, your W-2, ready for tax season. That's all there is to it. Now you can easily access your W-2 anytime you need it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Workday tips.